Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my YouTube channel to see my upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of gold futures in different time frames. While the gold bulls look too anxious after a steep fall in gold futures since last few trading sessions due to growing hopes for resolving tariff trade war between US and China, which resulted in reversal of global indices. Chinese slowdown still looks to be a prime concern for the traders, which has resulted in escalating bearishness still in the global equity markets. But now, the sudden steep downward move of gold futures has enhanced suspicion among the traders a lot. They look to be in dilemma to go long or to be on the sideline. Some of my subscribers raised this question that is it worthwhile to go long from the current levels? So for taking a decision, let us define our strict stop loss and targets levels while deciding to take an entry at this point. So friends, here I would like to tell you that I find the gold futures look to have entered into a buying zone once again because uncertainty still persists in the market. I find currently the gold futures are very near to their first support level. So let us look at the daily chart of gold futures where we will analyze the movements of gold futures. So let me zoom it for you to have a closer look at the movement of gold futures. Here you can see that the gold futures, after touching the levels of $1299 on 4th January 2019, consolidated during this period till the January 17th, and since January 17th when the news came for resolving US-Chinese trade war, US indices moved upward and the gold started to make a downward move, and here I find that the gold futures are going to support at the level of $1274. Here I find they will find their first support, and I find that after touching this levels, gold futures are likely to take a good reversal. But on the other hand, once they are not able to sustain above this level, I find that their second support will be at the level of $1262, where they will find a strong support. So friends, I have constructed this expected trading zone from January 21st to February 6th. So here I find that the gold futures are likely to consolidate above this uptrend line. Once they find good support at this level, no doubt that the gold futures will take strong reversal from the current levels. So I find the gold futures have entered in a fresh buying zone once again, and no doubt that the gold futures will take a good reversal from the current levels. Now let me zoom it out. So friends, this is a daily chart. Now let us see this chart in a 4-hour zone. For having a closer look, here you can see that the buying is evident enough, which indicates the gold futures may take good support at the level of $1274, which will be their first support, and below this they may take their second strong support at the level of $1270, where the 200 days moving average will provide good support to gold bulls in a 4-hour chart zone. No doubt that the most of the moving averages are indicating a strong selling pressure on the gold at the level of $1281, but I find that the level of $1274 will provide first support to gold futures in a 4-hour zone, and I find that this 200 days moving average will touch this first support level on January 22nd. Once the gold futures sustain at the current level for some more hours from now, we will find a steep upward move in gold futures once they sustain above this first uptrend line. So let us see this chart in a 1-hour zone. Here you can see that buying has been started in gold futures from the levels of $1276. You can see that buying is going on here. So I find that the gold bulls will try to come forward for bargain hunting above the level of $1,274, and I find that the 20 days exponential moving average is trying to remain above the 20 days moving average, which indicate a strong reversal in gold futures from the current levels where they are currently trading at the level of $1,276. I find that the buying has already been started below this level. The presence of buyer is very thick between the level of $1,274 to $1,276. There seems to be thick presence of gold bugs who tend to remain in control. Let us see this movement of gold futures in a 15-minute chart for a more accurate view. Here you can see that in a 15-minute chart, 20 days exponential moving average has already crossed the 20 days moving average, and here you can see that the gold futures have found good support at the level of $1,276, and I find the current levels are evident enough for a steep reversal up to the level of $1,285 in a 15-minute zone, where they will find their first resistance at the 200 days moving average. So friends, be ready for an action in gold futures today, as we can see that currently the S&P 500 futures are trading under pressure, which makes it evident enough for going concerns for Chinese slowdown. They are still under pressure, and most of the Asian markets are also trading under selling pressure, which provides good strength to gold bulls. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.